That's what makes this place so special, because it's built by people that are all volunteering. My name is Mayur Chaudhari. I coach football in the NFL. It's built on people that are devoting their own time and being selfless and giving to something bigger than themselves. The group of women I talked to, they had never kind of done any construction work, um, and now they're talking about cutting pipes and building things, and you never know what you're capable of doing until you're doing it. As players, I coach these guys who are 6'5", 300 pounds, right? Just these huge men, right? Who do really amazing physical feats. Yet a lot of them don't have great confidence sometimes, It's like people that are giving their own selflessness, giving themselves to this place, and the light grows bigger and bigger, and more people come to do the same thing. That's a beautiful place to be.